How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm an insomniac, and I'm gonna be at this event on October the 9th or the 8th. It's gonna be at the War Memorial. I'm gonna be there with Ray Winbush, Ben Jealous, the Baltimore Block, Mr. Carr. Ray Lewis is gonna be there. Ray Lewis and me gonna be in the same room, and I get to holler mic check. I get to holler mic check. So I'm gonna clue y'all in on this. I was invited to do this, and I'm glad that they doing it, because everything come in time. Everything come in God's time. I've been living in faith, and I've been enjoying this favor. I've been homeless since 2011, and I'm ready to come out of homelessness. So I came up with a program. Not only a program, I came up with a lot of things. But we're gonna uplift our community while I uplift myself. Alright? So I'm gonna break you down and show you what we're getting ready to do. This all ain't gonna be on TV. Everything that I'm telling you today is not gonna be on TV. I'm just gonna be a participant in the event. Alright? I'm gonna be a voice in the crowd. And I'm gonna be a voice in the crowd. Alright? So I'm gonna break down to you what I've been going through, why Shellenberger should be disbarred. I'm exposing the corruption. And in my post, when I put up those Kiefer Mitchell and Kurt Anderson, that's the new face of old Jim Crow. Y'all done read the book by Michelle Alexander, The New Face of Old Jim Crow? Those are the faces. Those are the black faces selling out black Baltimore. Straight up. Now, you go read the Willie Lynch letters. Just read the front page when it talks about color, plantation, politics, seed. You know what I'm saying? Go read the Willie Lynch letters, and everything that I'm telling you gonna make sense. But when I see this, when I get on TV, I'm gonna holler, mic check, Willie Lynch, mic check, Willie Lynch, mic check, Willie Lynch. If you deny you on me on earth, will you deny you know me in heaven? Well, I ain't gonna wait to find out, because I already know you denied me on earth. You denied you knew everything that I was doing. I'm invited to this event. It's Take on America, Black Men in Baltimore. Alright? You see? It's going to run on TV. Topics and interview questions. These are the general questions. I took this. They don't know I took this, but I took this. Alright? We don't need another hero. We don't need another hero. We don't need no Kaepernick. We need people. We need black men to stand up. We don't need heroes. We need black men to stand up. We need our Martins. We need our Malcolms. We need our Thurgood Marshalls. We need our Panthers back. We need our blackness back. And that's all I was doing. And I got recognized for it, because he picked me out of Baltimore. He picked me out of doing this. And like I said, you can contact him. I gave them all the emails that I gave Al Repmer. I gave them all the emails I gave the Department of Justice. I gave them everything that I've been doing since I started this. You feel me? Because in the event that something happened to me, like it did Martin, because see, I've been to the mountaintop. Now I'm getting ready to walk through the valley, the shadow of death. And I shall fear no evil, because I'm living in faith and I'm enjoying my favor. Like I said, I've been homeless since 2011. This is how I'm living. I'm living out that box. I'm living in somebody's living room. You feel me? But I'm living. And I'm going to break all this down. This is for Al Repmer and Johnny O. I asked y'all for the Department of Justice to come investigate the courts. I asked y'all for the Department of Justice because I was locked up illegally by Scott Shellenberger. I was locked up illegally by Scott Shellenberger. All right? Return to sender, undeliverable. They sent this back while I was locked up in jail. You feel me? This was legal mail for the Department of Justice. They sent it back. How is it's not deliverable when it went to the Department of Justice? You feel me? Federal violations, federal investigation, federal funding, public civil rights, FBI, California, Nevada. That's my brother, William Lewis Davis, because I asked you to get in touch with my brother while I was locked up. You feel me? Y'all tried to kill me when I was in jail. Y'all threatened my life. So I sent it to my brother. You feel me? I got 5 brothers and 5 sisters. I'm the 9th of 10 kids. I'm the black sheep of the family. But that's my brother. That's why I asked for the FBI. All right? Director O'Neill, Deborah Richardson, Lieutenant Dixon, the medical director, because y'all sent me to Spring Grove illegally. Y'all tried to pump me up with drugs and I refused it. I fought the law and the law lost. I asked for the FBI in Baltimore because Richard McFeely got this. Patrick Dugan got it, his supervisor. You feel me? I reported y'all. And if I wouldn't have put my brother's name on it, you would have killed me. You feel me? This is about being black in white America. I walk through the shadow of death every day, dog. Policemen came into my house and put guns to my head in October of 2010. You locked me up in Illinois for 186 days. Just like Martin, I did letters from a Birmingham jail. I did a diary in Illinois, and I did a diary in Maryland. And Richard McFeely, the FBI, got it. My brother in California got it. In the event of my death, I will not be in vain. And I'm going to let this story be told on national TV. So Johnny O, Redmer, y'all got 44 days, 43 days. That's the Department of Justice. I'm going to bring this letter to the next event that we got. So when I asked you about going to the Department of Justice, I want justice. I want to expose Maryland's cash cow. And we're going to do it through these cases. That's when y'all came to my house and put guns to my head. I filed a complaint. The Department of Justice got it. I called the FBI and reported it. That's the case right there. It's transcripts. It's in the courts. Like I said, all my evidence against the courts is in the courts. Y'all thought I had all this stuff out here in the streets? No, I got some of it in the streets, but everything I got is in the courts. Judge Souter got it. It's the art of getting money. It's about lawyers, coercions, confessions. You feel me? I was a Baltimore County. I was a whistleblower. This is legal mail. I blew the whistle on the courts. Now, Al Redmer, you between a rock and a hard place. You between the mud and the dirt. Because I got an insurance policy out. And I had an insurance claim. And I had a civil case for $54 million. I'm out $2.6 million. I'm living homeless by y'all enjoying y'all's life. Shellenberger did this to me. And I'm going to make sure the world see what Shellenberger did. I'm going to make sure that the world see the politics in Maryland. I'm going to make sure the world see what Hogan is doing. Endorsed by Hogan. If you endorsed by Hogan, then you part of the corruption. Like I said, Ben Jealous going to be there. You can go to Ben Jealous. Sending him emails, all right? I'm sending Ben Jealous everything that Al Redmer got. I'm going to send Ben Jealous. Because this is going to show you how Hogan's corruption exists. I ran against Governor Hogan in 2014. I ran against Governor Hogan with Bryant Vafe. I'm a black Republican. And the Republicans got an issue with me. I wore a hoodie to these events. I didn't wear khakis and Dockers. I wore hoodies to all political events. You feel me? I went to the Department of Justice to investigate Scott Shellenberger's office because you held me illegally. You kidnapped me. You kidnapped me in February of 2011. Ben Jealous, you running for office? You was the NAACP president. And when we go on stage, I'm going to make sure we talk about everything and everybody. I voted. And if you're going to vote for Jealous or you're going to vote for Hogan, I'm going to show you why black people shouldn't vote for Hogan. I'm going to show you how Hogan is abusing black people. And you vote for Hogan if you want to, you're going to get Jim Crow. You're going to get white supremacy. You're going to get Willie Lynch. You vote for Jealous, I'm going to make Jealous do his job. Because I'm going to be on Jealous' ass. I'm a black Republican. You feel me? I voted. Martin Luther King was a black Republican. You feel me? I applied for Martin Luther King's job. That's what pissed y'all off. And I showed you the videotape. I'm a film director. I'm an independent film director. I was making a movie and a documentary. The Truth About the Toilet. The toilet represents how you treat black people. You treat black people like shit. So I treat you the way you treat me. Fair exchange. Ain't no robbery. Ain't no stick up without a gun. I put you on the toilet. I put you on the toilet. And like I said, everybody that's involved is on the toilet. Toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. Toilet take your shit every day. I took your shit. Now you're going to take my shit. And you're going to take my shit to the Department of Justice, the Bureau of Federal Prisons. We're going to talk about mass incarceration in the prison industry. We're going to talk about the illegal war on drugs. And we're going to make sure that you talk to all these, bring the feds here for real. See, everything that I got is on Shorty's voice. I got 238 videos on Shorty's voice. All right? We're going to talk about killer cops because we done had enough. We're getting ready to put this on squeeze play. You feel me? Like I said, people pay attention to dumbass shit. This gonna be some dumbass shit. Y'all made me famous for toilets. Dude, I'm marketing toilets. I'm gonna be famous for all the right reasons, and I'm gonna put all y'all's faces on them. You feel me? I had to transcend because, like I said, I'm homeless. I have a heart condition. You feel me? I have a heart condition. I have a medical condition, and this is due to my incarceration. My medical condition is related to my incarceration. And Al Redmer, you have an insurance claim on me. I was insured when I was in jail. I was insured. My truck was insured by State Farm. The contents of my truck was insured. You feel me? So you need to do that insurance investigation and get it off the table because this is going to be very public. I'm going to make it public because Martin taught me about shaming people. I'm going to shame you into doing your job. I'm going to shame you into doing your job. I had health insurance. I had life insurance. I had business insurance. I had insurance on my bank account, and that's your job. You endorsed by Gov.Hogan? Then y'all riding on the same bus, cuz. I advise you to get off and take Hogan off your slogan, because Hogan getting ready to go to jail. Hogan been shielding the corruption since 2016. I got videotape calls, and I got mail that he ain't answered. Hogan is the part of the movie that I'm making. The new face of Willie Lynch. Dog, I can name everybody and I don't have to change no names. That's the beauty of this. Block party gets bigger and better. Dog, I was doing ceasefire back in 2006. I don't have to change nobody's name because everybody on this got to report this. Everybody on this, I'm the video vigilante. Got a story called Shorty. Dog, I'm telling it all. And make sure that you bring it to the table. Everything. I ain't as dumb as you thought I was. I'm country dumb, but I'm city slick. And I'm good with my shit. I was doing letters design. This is letters design. All right. This is letters design. And that's me. Who amazes you? Like I said, the movie's letters design. I made 9 letters and I wrote these 9 letters. And these 9 letters, I put these fronts on it. And it's the media. And I shows how the media displaces people, how you can't trust them. Don't just accept what the media give you. Games people play. You feel me? Stand up. I gave it to you. This is a ghetto Da Vinci Code. And Al Redmer, you got it. Because when I was locked up in Illinois, I was fully insured. I was insured until September of 2008. And I gave this to Scott Shellenberger in June of 2008. Everything's in the Minority Report. Got PDF file. If you want to see it, you got it. It's available to the public. Now, that's me and Mayor Pugh. It's a love-hate relationship. We got a love-hate relationship. I keep my word, she keep her word. I don't get in her business, she don't get in mine. My business is the homeless people. You feel me? That's mine. That's me. That's the Community Activist Award from Verizon. That's my Freedom Fighter Award. That's my award. But this is the award that I give all politicians and police and people that I don't think doing right in the community. This is Shorty's award. It's called a toilet award. So if I put a toilet in front of your business, I put a toilet in front of your house, if I put a toilet in front of your, wherever you at, you know you got a Shorty award. And the city loves Shorty awards. I done gave City Hall, I gave Shitty Hall 13 of them. I put over 150 toilets all over the city since 2006. Y'all locked me up for putting toilets out. You feel me? You locked me up for putting toilets out. So like I said, go to Judge Souter, get it. Because I wrote a book about it. I put your business out there. Attorney General. Brian Frost did a commercial the other day. He ain't like it too much. Brian Frost gonna get a total. I'm going in front of Governor Hogan's administration, Governor Hogan's office on Charles Street, and I'm gonna build a toilet. I'm doing a homeless feeding on Saturday. Anybody got a problem with me? Come see me. I got my things all lined up. I got everything, testimonials, everything. My summer with Shorty. All right? Like I said, I'm homeless. I've been homeless for the longest. That's word on the street. And the word on the street is Shorty gonna stop all this shit. The word on the street is I'm coming back for what belonged to me. Word on the street is you picked a fight with the wrong nigga.